guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited. The new summer mystery box from Kitch has arrived. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the new summer mystery box has arrived. They sent me an email, I believe it was like last week, because this arrived super fast, and it said we have a new summer mystery box. And like, I didn't even finish reading the email and I ran to their website and purchased this bad boy. Now, from the actual listing, everything is blurred, but you can still kind of see the outline of the image. So my guess is inside of this box, we're gonna have a blowout cream, which I have, which I'll love to have a backup because I love that product. And from the image, it looks like there's gonna be some type of a spray and probably like the hair and body spray. So those are the only guesses that I have from those images. So let's see if I'm right. Do you guys have some guesses from those images? Let's see if you are right as well. Number one, I love this box. This is exclusive just to the summer mystery box, but you can definitely save it, reuse it. It is just an absolute gorgeous box. Super summery, beachy. I love the colors. I love the simple design. Love keeping this box for sure. So this shows on their site, the summer mystery box has a $135 value, and you can get this bad boy for $72. I will have them listed down below in the description box if you like to pop on over and check them out and see all of their amazing products. If you shop through my storefront link, you will save some money. I don't know if it applies on like the boxes, but all the other individual ones, you can check and see if it will. It'll automatically apply to your cart if it is, like if it can work with my code. But again, you just shop through my link, through my storefront. Even if you venture through other stuff and just look through their whole entire thing, as long as you're going through my link, you should save money in your cart. So this again is $72, and it says it's your entire summer haul all in one box. The Kitch Summer Mystery Box features 9 full-size hair, body, and skincare favorites for less than the price of a getaway. Inside, you'll discover a mix of versatile, practical, and easy-to-use best sellers designed to help you look and feel your best all season long. So again, it has a $135 value with a price tag of $72. While supplies last, they are limited quantities. Mine did take like a few day delay. Of course, whenever I'm super excited about something, it gets like lost in transit or takes a scenic route. So she's finally here, and I'm super excited to dive in and show you everything that is inside. But there will be 9 full-size products and this gorgeous box. So enough about that. Let's dive in and see what we have. Ooh, that's what you see when you first open it. It says summer ready hair starts here. With these essentials, you can breeze through your routine and make more time for fun in the sun. And it does have like the little images on the inside of the box as well. And then if we remove the paper, oh, I am loving what I am seeing so far, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the first thing that caught my eye is these metal claw clips. It's a 2-piece set, and look at the shell. Those are gorgeous. You have the little doo-doo-doo-doo. I love those. Super excited about that. And then also with hair clips, I have the black one. I purchased it when they first came out with this. What is this? The Kitch Pop Charms and Cloud Clip set. I have the black one, and now I'm so excited to have another one. And this just kind of reminds me of Ariel. It has the yellow clip, it has the shell, the teal down at the bottom. So I'm gonna open this and put them all together so you can see what it looks like. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this clip right here. And I love that it is that yellow color. That is so cool. Okay, so let's keep going. Something smells absolutely phenomenal in here. Like something is smelling really good. So we have, okay, so this was the bottle. I said it's going to be some type of a spray. This is the texturizing sea salt spray with rosemary and biotin for beachy voluminous waves. It's a 6 fluid ounce. And with that rosemary and biotin, let me see. Yep, smells like sweet lavender and rosemary. I still can't grasp the concept of why they put a lavender smell with biotin and rosemary. Yeah, so rosemary and biotin, but it smells like lavender. This right here, I'm actually gonna send to my mom. I don't know if she's actually used this type of a product before, but I know she does have short hair, and the way that she does her hair, this might actually do good in her hair. So I'm gonna send this to her. Plus she loves the smell of lavender. So by all means, she can go ahead and take that off my hands and try it out for herself. I already have a box I need to ship her anyway, so I'll toss that in there. Next, yep, this is the air dry cream. This is the smoothing air dry cream with castor oil for frizz-free air drying style. It is a 5 fluid ounce, and I will definitely keep this as a backup because I really love this product. I purchased this, I think it was in one of my last or the one before purchases that I've gone through them. So this is a new item that I have for myself. It's a newer item to them as well. So I'm so glad to have another one. Up next is their amazing wet and dry brush. I absolutely love mine. The way that it is designed, and this one is completely sealed, so I'm gonna keep it completely sealed and put this in a future giveaway. I bought 2 blue ones, so I don't need another one, but if you can kind of see in there, the design, it's like kind of like a, let's say a rainbow for conversation purposes, and each one of these can move. So like if I can probably grab it and show you, see each one moves separately. So when I'm brushing my hair, when I'm done, I just kind of like push it kind of, not hard, but I do put a little pressure to it, and it like massages my scalp. I love this brush. So I'm so glad. I'm gonna pass this down for one of you guys to enjoy as well, because I don't need 3 brushes. Up next, oh, this is actually really interesting. This morning, I chose my FabFitFun Edit categories, like for the 4 categories. And when I saw their spoilers on their forum, I thought already like what I was going to choose. And in this category, I think it was 3 or 4, I was going to choose like something very similar. It wasn't a Kitch, it was a different brand, but it was something very similar. And so this morning when I went to choose, it was already sold out. And I was choosing at like 6:30 after I was done with my chickens and feeding my dog and everything. I sat down and I went to check, and it was already sold out. And so things happen for a reason, because now I have the Kitch one. I don't need that other one. So this is the Taming Hair Wax Stick with castor oil for flyaways and frizz. It is a 2.7 ounce, and I'm actually excited about that. Again, I couldn't get the one from FabFitFun. I was like, oh, okay, well, I thought it would be cool to have just in case I ever need to like tame something on this mane. And now Kitch has me covered. And this is what it looks like. And there is the stick. So I'm assuming you just push it up as you go, and then you just use it on your hair. It's a wax stick, again, with castor oil. It said it is the strand smoothing, flyaway taming hair essentials for your sleek and smooth hairstyles. So that is awesome. Again, I just think, you know, things always happen for a reason. And that was just really weird how this morning I couldn't choose an item that I wanted, and here it is right here in this box. So universe works amazing. Up next, I don't think I have used this one. This is the Konjac Acid Wash Face. Oh, it's this. Face and body wash for dark spots, pigmentation, and uneven skin. Vegan. It's, oh my gosh, this smells so good. It says smells like sugared YUZU and pear. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Oh man, I can't wait to try this. And it is an acid solid face and body wash. But yes, it does smell like a juicy sugared pear or something. Oh my gosh, this is why my entire box smells phenomenal. Okay, so we have 2 items left. One of them is the hair and body spray. This is the Coastal Sorbet. I believe this is one of their newer scents that they had sent to me, and I really, really love it. This one here says it smells like orange zest and creamy coconut. So I'm super glad to have a backup because I love these. I think I have almost every scent that they have now. Yes, it just smells so good. And I use it on my hair and my body. So I love these things. And then the last thing in here, it looks like it's a 5-piece, seriously so soft hair satin scrunchies. So there's 5 of them in there. That is awesome. Let's open this up so we can see them. Oh, those are perfect sizes, especially for my hair. Normally we get like the big, huge pillow satin ones. They're like huge. I'm like, dang, that would cover my whole entire head if I try to use that. So these are the perfect size, and I'm so glad that they come with 5 of them. I love to keep a few like off to the side because after a while, you know how sometimes the stretchy thing isn't so stretchy. So then like I'll swap them out within time. But I love that it's a 5-piece set. And I'm sure they come in other colors as well on their site. But here is the pink set of 5. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is everything in this mystery box. Here's the complete print on the inside of the box if you were wondering. So a quick recap, you have the 5-piece scrunchie set, the hair and body mist, this amazing smelling body wash. You have the hair wax stick. You have the detangling brush, and I love this brush. You have the 2-piece hair clips and this one as well, along with the air dry cream and the sea salt texturing spray. And don't forget the box that it comes in too, because this is definitely going to be reused for sure. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is amazing. Like, I honestly was thinking I was gonna get so many products that I already have because I have a lot. I love Kitch. I love Kitch's products. I'm purchasing from them. They've sent me PR packages. I've shared with you guys a lot of times in giveaways too. So I absolutely love Kitch. I'm loving this mystery box. I love the items that are inside as well. What do you guys think though? Like, the only thing in there was that rosemary spray that I'm gonna send to my mom. And then the brush I'm going to save for you guys because I love it. Other than that, I'm going to be keeping everything in this box, and that says a lot. If you follow me and you see mystery boxes and things that I do, I sometimes keep 1 to 2 products, if that. This one, I'm literally keeping everything, and I'm going to share with my mom 1 and with you guys 1. And that's it. I'm keeping everything else in the box. So that is definitely amazing. What would be your favorite item in here? Did you see that they had this mystery box? It is still available. Again, it'll be down below in the description box if you want to pop on over and check them out. But I am loving this kit. It's perfect for summer. The color scheme inside is perfect as well, especially that one that the yellow. Oh, and I was going to show you how that all goes together. I said I was going to do that too, and I didn't do it. Let me do that. Let me open this up and show you. This is just so pretty. So out of the package, this is what she looks like. So you have these 3 holes. You see the 3 holes? There you go. You can see the 3 holes now. And the same with these. You have the 3 holes that they have it in. So you could even take like this thing and put one on this side to have them go that way. You can leave it this way. You can change them out. They have like this little rubber backing, and you just like push it in the hole and it fits right in there. Nice and tight. I mean, you can put them any way you want. I just stuck them like that. But isn't that just super, super cute? Like this pale yellow, you have all these little beachy things which you can take off. You don't even have to have any of them on if you want. And they also just sell the charms, so you can switch out the charms with any other ones that you would like as well. But oh my gosh, I just think that is so cute. I might put the bow in the middle over here and swap this so I can see the shell a little bit better back here, but again, that's the beauty in it. You can switch them to anything you would like. So there is that one. So definitely comment down below. Again, let me know what would be your favorite item. Let me know, did you grab this? Do you now want to? Definitely let me know all the details down below. And again, they will be in the description box if you want to pop on over and check them out and see all of their amazing products. Literally, they have you covered from head to toe, skincare, body care, all of that good stuff. They have the shampoo bars and now the liquid with the shampoo and conditioner. So that's amazing. I love both. I mean, you have your options. But again, everything will be down below. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.